Alright guys, I want to show y'all guys a feature. When I first created Lazy Chop, it wasn't just which I see now tapping the pads and as the sample goes, you're slicing it. The whole purpose of Lazy Chop was basically to take a long sample and be able to easily extract parts out of it. So there was a second part of this spec that I noticed that a lot of people either don't know about or don't use. And so this is what I'm going to show you guys today. Alright, so first we're going to go into preference menu. Alright, so I'll go here to the general tab. And you can see right here where it says Q preview, right? You're going to want to put that on after, or you can put on before, but I chose after for myself and press OK. All right, so I have this sample here. Sample edit. Now here, as y'all know, y'all can press play and lazy chop this. There's another way how to do this. If you highlight Q, you can skim through. You can use either the jog wheel or your Q link. Now, the purpose of this is to be able to have like a long file like this, and you can just go through and individually scroll through it and extract what you want. So say I want to get this here. I go here. I would press slice, right? Then I go to the next one, press slice there. Press slice here. Now also I want to show you another feature that I notice I don't see a lot of you using. You press shift and you press zero snap. Right now, zero snap is important because it's going to help you avoid those pops and clicks that you get in your samples. So what we wind up with is a bunch of different slices. Now this may not be for everyone, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew that it existed. That's it. So that's the second part of the Lazy Chop spec. Guys, go to thecyclekit.com, support your boy, support me like I support you. I love y'all very much. Take care.